Welcome to NYCClinicalWorkshop.com. I am Nurse Reese, and I want to welcome you guys again to the site. So my goal here is to help students with their clinical performance examinations. I too was a student of Excelsior College, and I passed the dreadful exam known as the CPNE, or Clinical Performance Nursing Examination. It wasn't easy, but I was able to pass with no repeats. And guess what? You can too. Not only did I pass with no repeats, I passed on the first try. And I can help you guys do that. I want to help you guys do that. A lot of people have difficulties with care plans, and they sign up with workshops. They pay a significant amount of money each month, and they don't get the help that they really need. And sometimes what they really need is one-on-one, someone to help you break down how to write a care plan, specifically how to write a care plan for this exam, so that you get in the room and you can take care of your patient. So I want to help you do that. And one of the ways that I'm going to help you do that is with my one-on-one instruction. The only thing that I ask of you is to trust me, my technique, and my ways. And what I do is ask everyone to fill out what I call a test-ready assessment, just to let me know what your weaknesses are and also your strengths. What that does, it helps me come up with a great strategic plan, a study plan that's designed specifically for you to help you with this exam. I help with care plans, I help with the areas of care, and I also help with the simulation labs and the medication labs. In addition, what I also provide is mocks. I will watch you and critique you and help you polish your PCSs. I'll work with you one-on-one, letting you know exactly what's needed so that you can ace this exam. Right now, I'm looking for 5 people that I'm gonna help for free. And actually, as we talk about it, I actually have 4, so I'm looking for my 5th person that I'm gonna help for free. And that could be you, all right? So I can help you either in person, online, or over the phone. But I want to give back and pay it forward, and the way that I plan on doing this is by helping 5 people pass the exam. One of the individuals who I helped, she recently passed, and you can too. What I like to do is I like to come up with a foolproof test plan and strategy that will get you in the room and get you through your PCS. One of the main important things is that you practice, and that you have a plan. And I'm going to help you with that plan. I'm going to help you break everything down. All you have to do is have faith and trust in me, and we will see it through. All right? So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below. Feel free to like and subscribe. And you can also visit the website at NYCClinicalWorkshop.com, where we do have some free videos for you to view up there. It's been fun, and I hope to see you guys soon.